So, guys, we are back live now. I just want to post the link on the group to get everybody involved to it because network did me dirty today, like really dirty. But I'm sorry, guys, if this delay is affecting everybody. Like even me, I'm also tired already. I'm just trying to complete this live now. I'm going to sleep because I'm very tired already. Stress and all was it was too much for me today. So right now you can share the live for me, please. You can share the live with on your status, on to your friends and all. It will mean a lot to me right now. And we are going to begin fully. Let me just tackle on everything, then we'll end the live. Okay, please. Okay, I'm almost done though. Okay, so right now I'm going to simply go straight to the point. I'm not going to talk to waste much time. Let's just go straight to the point and then end this live tomorrow. Then I will begin. So first thing I want to tackle with is I want to tackle is four questions that a lot of my fans or a lot of my subscribers are asking me right now. Which the first question is what happened to yesterday stream and why are we back today with the introduction. So yesterday's stream was not successful because of number one, there is high bad network issues in so many cases that I can't even comprehend. Number two, um, the life is still new to me and is still on vertical, not landscape. That's the reason why I couldn't comprehend more about it. Number three is because that yesterday was too hectic. My life is not planned that moment. So I was trying to test the water to see how it is going. So that's basically for the first question of why of yesterday. So number two question is why did I decide to start live streaming my trading section instead of just posting screenshots? Number one here is I was not posting screenshots. I was making videos for you guys to be able to use the master prompt to trade on yourself. But I noticed that a lot of people keep asking me questions, and also I have been planning on starting live stream for a while right now, but there are due to some circumstances I decided not to start it because I'm not the kind of person that likes coming on live to start dancing or to start talking online without sharing any particular value. What's this thing? What's the noise now? So I'm not the kind of person that go live without trying to share a reasonable information or try to educate my fans. I'm the kind of person that when I come live, I try to share valuable thoughts and valuable information. So I was like deciding should I go live and start teaching people how to create using AI? But no, that's not what I was looking at. Please, if you are joining the live, also try to ask your questions. If you have any question you want me to answer, try to drop it in the live chat. I'll be glad to answer that question for you. These are the few questions people have asked me, so that's what I'm answering right now. So you can also drop your own question. I will definitely answer that for you. Um so because of that, I have a lot of people asking me questions. So I was like contemplating what will I do. So I decided to say, okay, you know what? I'm going to be trading live using my Forex account and my AI master prompt I created. So um this Forex is something that I'm new to. I'm not even good with it. Even some certain thing I set here, I make some research to be able to set it. But the AI will actually do up to 90% of your work. The master prompt AI, the master prompts will do up to 90% of your work. What you just have to do is to execute them. So that's the reason why I'm not actually bothered about to set out the Forex. Before I was using Cortex platform, I was using a binary platform like that, but I keep getting issues, and you know that binary platform is not a real Forex market. So sometimes they manipulate their their trading. So allegedly, that's what I heard. But I've also experienced that because there are some of my trading I have actually seen that happen too. So that's basically why I stopped trying to trade on binary to move into the main market. So I've answered the number two question. Drop your own question. I'm going to answer that. Number three question is, why am I combining artificial intelligence with technical analysis, and why the master prompt? Why the master prompt? That's the way they ask that. I believe it's a two question. The person asks, why am I combining the artificial intelligence with technical analysis? You know that artificial intelligence right now have gotten to the advanced way that it can analyze data. Pick that word, analyze data, a technical analysis. So you can see the combination. It can be able to analyze the market structure and to be able to determine the market algorithm, to be able to predict the exact way the market will react at that time. So that's basically what the master prompt will do. So for me to be able to come up with this master prompt, I've been able to use several strategies from different people's course. So I go around in the internet buying course. I bought a lot of course to be able to develop this master prompt, and it took me over 2 months to be able to get it to this functionable way that it is right now. And currently, the master prompt is still available, which I'm going to also show you guys in this video for you to see. So, okay, so because of that, I think my AirPod have reduced battery, say low battery. So let me just, I think I have to keep it in my ear. So right now, the master prompt was consist of people's strategies and how they reason, how they trade, and all. I think this thing have stopped again, and I don't know why. Please, am I still online? Because am I still online? Because I don't know what's going on though. But I think I had to continue like that. If it's not going, that so be it. But I had to be on track first. Let me see. If my hand shows, then know that I'm still live. Anyway, I guess I'm still live. If you guys can comment that I'm live, I will continue. But so I decided to create a master prompt, and why the master prompt is because to make some ill decisions when the market is not favoring us. Let's say the market now we are trying to trade USDT JPY and you are losing the trade. What will happen is that you will not concentrate as a human to be able to know that this is either buy or sell. But AI and artificial intelligence doesn't have emotion, but we women have emotion. So artificial intelligence doesn't have emotion, so it cannot be panicked or it cannot make unnecessary decision because of the market is not going its direction or towards its direction. Do you get? So that's the reason why I said that. That's the reason why I said that. That's the reason why I said that I decided to create this master prompt to learn what is working for others and all. So number one question is, when does the uh, when does the live action begin? When does the real action begin? And what should you expect this week, or what should we expect this week? Okay, when will the main action begin? Is the main action will begin this week, definitely, and I'm going to actually show you guys when it will begin. So after that, I've answered some questions you guys asked me. So right now, let me move to my system to show you what it is. So right here, this is our Forex dashboard, or should I say where the candle is and all. Currently, markets just opened, but we cannot trade right now. So this is it, and this is the place you can get the master prompt. So it's on seller right now, and it's selling at 10,000 naira, which the price might increase in the future when I start streaming on Twitch, because I'm planning on streaming on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So when that plan is settled, the price might increase. So if you have not gotten the master prompt, you should go and get it. And if you have already gotten the master prompt when it was 7,500, go now to download the updated version. I will keep on updating the master prompt every week, at least 2 to 3 times a week. I will going to be updating the master prompt. If you are joining the live, please try to like and also ask your question in the live chat. So this is the way the master prompt looks like, where you can buy it. If you need that, you can buy the master prompt here to start trading. So when you buy the master prompt, this is the place you can set the master prompt. Well, I'm not going to set anything this night, because everything this night will be for introduction. When I will start trading mainly is this week, which I'm going to drop the exact day. Network is something else. Please pardon me, oh, pardon me. Network. My network is something I don't understand. I can't even comprehend why it is this bad. Like, it's crazily bad. Let me check my camera. Let me know whether it's still showing. Okay, I believe it is still showing. But okay, I guess it's now getting ready. Okay. It's very slow. I don't even know that this is the way live stream normally happen. Like, it's really slow. It's really slow. So pardon me on that. So let me continue with my explanation. So what it is, once you have gotten the master prompt, you can go to your ChatGPT, you can go to your cloud, or you can go to Gemini. Do I normally use Gemini to trade? So that's basically it. So when you have gotten that, go to your Gemini and set it up, which I'm going to show how to set it up in the live video when we begin that, so that you all will understand it more. But let me show you what I've done so far with the master prompt. So right here in the screen, you are going to see, um let me show you guys. Let me just show you a few parts here. Okay, so this is the first, let's say this is my first chart, or the first trade for that day, which is yesterday. Okay, it's today on, so July 6th. You can actually see where it writes that the exact time we placed in the trade. This is the exact time. And it will also show you in the, once you activate that, it will show you 200 MR and um, moving average, convergent, divergent analysis. So this is it right here, where you're going to see the MR. It will filter that, which I'm going to also show you in the trade how I set that. But it's not today I'm going to show that, because this today is just for intro. So I'm just showing you how the thing will look like. So this is the moving average, convergent, divergent. So right here, it will you will see four magic line and gap zone profile. So you can actually see it activates that. So right now, this is the way you are going to see the exact MT4 or MT5, depending on the one you are using at that time. So suggested order execution type is sell limits resting in premium micro supply zone. So it will also show you that the entering price, this is where you are going to see the entering price, please. So it shows I never shift this. Let me check. Oh, I guess I hit okay. It's okay. So this is the entry price. Entry price is this. This is the stop loss. You are going to see the stop loss. It will also give you the number for the stop loss, which you are going to see right here. Take profits, you will also set it. Let me just show you a bit of how you can do this right now. So let's say you are on your Forex market, whether you are using your smartphone or you are using your laptop. But right now, I'm currently using my laptop. Okay. So if you come here and I'm going to uh no, not this. My eyes. Okay, so I'm going to click on F9 on my laptop. It will pop out this, but if you want to get this, you can go to trade. Where your trade is, you see the plus icon, then you click on it, it will show exactly this. So right here, you are going to put your trading pair in the exact trading pair order. So I'm using USDT JPY, and volume is your lot size. So my lot size I will keep because it's a $50 account. But if you're using bigger account like that, you can increase your lot size. But the more your lot size is bigger, the more money you will make when the lot is being gotten, or when there is this is it right here. I always like to put it on 0.01. So this is my stop loss, this is my take profit. If I actually go back here, right here, you're going to see there is stop loss. I can simply copy this stop loss, then I'm going to go back to the matter 5 and then put the stop loss. Then I'm going to also go back to getting my take profits. Remember, this is a former account, this is not the real one. I'm also going to try to see whether I can place a trade then for you to see. So I can put take profits right here. Then you can execute your order. So let me just try and see if I can enter any trades to see whether it will work, because I have not set anything yet. But this is my former setup. So I can simply screenshot this and then go over to this place to paste the screenshot. Please pardon me. Oh. You see one thing about Nigeria, Nigeria with bad network. I won't lie. Nigeria is one here. Okay, so you are live. I got mine too. Okay, you got yours too. You should go and get the updated one. I updated one today. I updated the master prompt today. You can also go back and download it since you have gotten your you are subscribed or you have bought the seller. What's it called? I don't know what it's called. The PDF. You can go anytime to go download the updates. Like I said, I'm going to be updating every week. I'm going to be updating the master prompt every week to stay consistent and to keep on updating to meet up the standard and what is actually working. So I've actually placed in the stuff, though it is slow. It is very slow at this moment. But right now, I'm going to be using my, because we are not trying to trade, but let's see. It says buy, okay. So right here in buy, you are going to see the entry should be 435. So I'm going to simply go here to get in my stop loss right here. When I copy my stop loss, I can simply come over here to put in this and then put in my stop loss to it. Then I'm going to go get my take profits. When you are getting your take profits, also try to check out the entering point to see where it tell you to enter. So my entering point is 435, which is buy. So I'm going to put this in right here. So how you can get in your entry point 435, this is the place, but it's now going upwards. You can actually see we didn't meet up right here, but you can see right here 435 it should be, but it's now 473 because of network bad. So but I still execute buy. Let me first check whether okay is my demo I'm using. Please wait, your order have been placed. So it say market buy done. So you can actually see it says done, but we didn't enter this market on time. You understand? So if you are trying to enter the market, always try to enter on time. You can see what happened because of network issues caused that, but you can actually see that it is going as expected. You are going to see right here, it is going as expected. This is my stop loss. Uh, okay, buy. So it's going as expected, and you can actually see this is it right here. So right now, what you can simply do is to actually wait for the trade to end, and then it will either take profits, then enter towards you, or you lose. It's not a guarantee that you are going to win, but definitely you can see right here that is moving towards our trend. See it right here is buy and is moving towards our trend. Let me, I think it's control T. Trade. I don't know how this work. Okay, I can see right here. This is the trade we entered. You can see it right here. Is showing 0.02. Remember, when we supposed enter this trade is here. This is the place we supposed enter it. But my network was so bad. So I didn't enter on time. But if imagine say we entered when the market should be, we will see that we will be on profit. But if you see, nevertheless, we are still on profit 0.02 depending on your loss size. You can see how powerful the master prompt is. But remember what I'm using right here. I'm using my demo account. This week, when we start the real life trading, we are going to use our real account. So right here, you are going to see how it is actually moving. It is moving towards our direction. It is moving towards our direction. So this is what you are going to do to actually wait for the exact master prompt, or wait for your trade to complete. When your would it will be better to make. Let me see what it says. It will be better to make. It will be better to make an entry before modifying the SL and TP. Yes, actually it will be better for, like, this is what somebody said also. I also received that stuff. Somebody said I should it will be better for me to enter trade before um setting my take profits. Maybe once I've entered the trade, I can then set my, because imagine that I enter that trade immediately without setting the take profit. By now we're supposed to be on profit. And also imagine that we enter the trade without setting stop loss and all, and it's going vice versa. You see what is, get the points now. So that's basically why I will try to master that. And you know that this system part is something that you see is going in our favor. Imagine that I entered this year, like when they tell me to enter. By now, suppose don't go far. But that's it. So imagine why what am I even saying? Okay, why this one is kind of confusing. Wow, wow, guys, see, you can see. Look at, imagine from here. Can you see what I'm saying? You can see here from here. See how it's going. Like, where's this thing? Where's this thing? Where's this thing? Oh yeah, now look at. our profits depending on the lot size. Oh. So trading is based on your. That's why you hear people say tier lot size, and all. But you can actually see that one trade, the first trade we are just placing, not even following the exact order, executing it immediately when the store said it. We just executed it lastly, and you can actually see how the result is moving. Okay, can also see that you're even winning the trade. That's how powerful the master prompt is. Remember, I say that I'm using my demo account because we have not started the real trading yet. When we start that, then we can start the real account, start the real deal. Okay, but right now you can see the gap that we are winning this trade so far. We should have entered when immediately, like my brother said. What was his name? Um, Mark Mark 2. Mark 2. Is it Mark 2's? Is it Mark 2's? I can't see it. I'm not with my glasses. So imagine right here when this thing is, and maybe you have earned the kind of profit you want to earn, then you can then decide to actually close the trade. I don't even know how to close the trade right here. That's the simple truth. But I think I might get. Okay, let me see whether I can get it. Okay, says I guess I had to also learn how to close trade though before I will start trading again. But since it's demo account, let me keep on talking where I'm talking. But people that want to make profit, you suppose not make your profit, but it will still reverse back the way and hit take profit at the exact time. Okay. So like I'm saying, um why I will say you should get this master prompt is this. If you get this master prompt, you can also recreate what I'm doing right now. Instead of going live and instead of I'll finish my juice so, and 12 is already there. I didn't even have pure water. God. Instead of going live and dancing on TikTok or dancing on YouTube, don't know what to cheer, you can simply get the master prompt and then the master prompt will help trade. You can even start trading using your demo account. Are you getting my point? You can even start trading using your demo account. Then, when you have funds or when you even started getting monetized, you have some money, you can even put it on there and start number one, building audience, and number two, also making money where you are building your audience. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you getting the point now? So there are some opportunities or several opportunities you can definitely use this master prompt to achieve. You can start your own live streaming, maybe on Twitch, maybe on TikTok, maybe on YouTube, build your audience. And then I will also show you guys on how you can register as an affiliate. Maybe the audience you got, you can then use the master prompt, maybe turn as an affiliate. I will show you guys how to do that. Then you are going to be getting 50% of whoever that buy the master prompt. So imagine you have your audience, you make your own money, and you also promote the master prompt through affiliate. Number one is that this master prompt, you will have it in a way that you can decide when to go or when to trade. You will not be looking for all these traders to wait for or depend on their signal to be able to achieve a trade. You can actually do it dependently on your own way. You can actually see that even somebody on this live stream is the one even telling me I should I should enter sell because it's my first time of operating it, and you can even see how I'm doing on it. So this is a good opportunity, I believe, that works, and you can actually start it from today. Okay, so I'll advise each and every one of you. It's not for free. The master prompt cost me a lot of money to be able to gather and make. I spend a lot of course. I bought courses. I make research, and I've been able to create the master prompt to this exact extent. Let me show you what I'm even giving you. So imagine right here, you can actually see the 0.02 micro lots. You can actually see the micro lots. 12 pip and $3.06, three active trade marks. So I set this away that the highest trade you can place in a day is three trade. This will actually reduce how much you will lose and how much you are going to make. So let's say you are on lot, you are losing money, your emotion is doing you to trade more, trade more. Once you have finished trading, trade the first one, trade the second one, trade the third one, and you lose, the master prompt will automatically lock your system. It will not be able to give you any trading again till the next day. You understand? So till the next day is when you can be able to trade using the master prompt. So that's one thing about one thing you have to know about the master prompt, and you can actually see right here in final decision format, action by bias. So by bias, and the confidence for it is 85% confidence. So you can even see how confident the master prompt is, and also the reason for the buy. So even if you are buying market, you are trying to buy or sell, the master prompt will be able to tell you this is the reason why you are buying. So call catalysts. Confirm that the market opening flow has completely reversed the structure framework from the last week. Price is trading decisively above a rising 5M 200 EMA trade filter and moving average convergent divergent momentum has completely shifted to the buy slide. So you can actually see it here. And there is the reason why it was able to tell us to place in buy. And you can see right here that this is actually going into our favor, and it will definitely hit TP and we take our profit. So this is what you have to understand about this master prompt. Imagine, and when he told us to enter, our network was bad. You guys saw it. He told us to enter this place, like this place, before the thing shoot up. So someone in the live group told me to actually do what? Before I will set TP and SL, I first of all do what? Click on buy so that I will be able to capture that at that exact time before the shoot up. So that was what happened. And even at that delay that happened, we still on profit. So you can see how powerful the master prompt is for us. So that's basically what you have to know about this master prompt and the reason. You know, your forex gurus, what they will teach you is try to buy. They will not tell you the reason to buy. Some of them will just tell you to buy. They will not tell you your stop loss. Some people, I hear people complaining about their guru or those people that teach you forex. They don't even tell you to set in your stop loss. They just tell you to buy, sell, and you will see people blowing their account because they don't know where to enter. And sometimes you paying $100 to be able to join on a particular signal, you tend to lose or you tend to miss the exact time they drop their signal. But with this master prompt, you can be able to be independent from anybody. You don't even have to depend on anybody to be able to give you a signal to be able to place on a trade, because already you have your master prompts that you can trade with at any time, at any moment of time. So that's what you have to know about this master prompt. But this week, I'm going to also share in a group when we are going to go main live, when we are going to go the actual live, so that we are going to know how to tackle on it. Also, if you want to get the master prompt, you can actually check out the link in the description. You are going to see it there, and it will take you to the page right here where you are going to buy the master prompt. Currently, the master prompt is selling at the current rate of 10,000 naira, but it will increase when we start streaming on Twitch and on YouTube at the same time. I will increase the price because a lot of competitors and all will join. So right now, before as of last month, it was in 7.5, but a lot of you guys we are not taking it serious. Right? A lot of people we are buying it. So if you are those people that buy it when it was in 7.5, you should go back now to go and download the updated one. You are not going to pay any money. So far as say you are paid before, you are not going to pay any money. So you just go there and download the updated one and then set in your trading setup. So right now, I believe this is the intro for this live streaming. So when the real time starts, or when we are going to begin with the real one, or with the as actual trading, I'm going to also show you guys on how you can set out your moving average, convergent, divergent, and all that. So this is it right here, and the way it is going. So I don't know how to close this trade because it's in my demo. I don't know where to close it though. Okay, I think okay. Uh Stop order. Okay. Okay, I've seen it right here. Oh, it's just like the other one. So you can just click on there and you close the trade. I should have when I if I notice on time, I should have closed it when he but it's still on demo account, and you decide to close it so that we can focus on other things. So we are still learning on the forest. We are still learning it, and you see how powerful the master prompt I created is. Like I said before you start using the master prompt, I highly advise you to do what? To use your demo account first to trade on it. Use your demo account to trade on it before using your real account. And also, if you get the master prompt, you don't know what to do, start going live with it. Build your audience like I'm building. This is the world is too big for all of us to achieve on. What I will tell you is this: I'm going to show you also how you can actually create an affiliate link on how you can also promote this master prompt on your own way, and you're going to get 50% of it. So using seller, so you're going to also get 50% when you are building your audience, and your audience buy the master prompt, you are going to make some commission from it, which is a win-win for both of us. But right now, if you are not gotten the master prompt, you should go and get it before the real life begins. The real life beginning this week. I'm going to also drop updates on that. And I believe this exact stuff have given you some hits parts of it. I know today might be I entered three live at the same time today because of network. But my I promise my next video will be super good and super fun. um and that's it for today's video. If you want the master prompt, or you want to register on the exact broker I'm using, Exness for the broker. I'm also going to show you guys on how to link your broker to your MetaTrader 5. So I'm going to also show that in the live video. So if you want to also register on Exness, check out the link in the description. If you want to also get the master plan, check out the link in the description. If you want to also join our Telegram traders group, check out the link in the description. All the link you need is in the description to be able to make use of them. So it's basically how it will be. But definitely, as time goes on, it will master us. And I think I had to end the live. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone that joined today live stream. I'm really, really grateful for your time. I'm really, really grateful that you want to learn some certain variable information from me, a cool man like me. So I am really grateful for your time. Thank you, and good evening, everyone, and good night.